Hello friends, I am Jeyan G. This is our channel Jeyansocial. Today I am going to talk about vaccine hesitancy. What is this vaccine hesitancy all about? Why we need to know about vaccine hesitancy, particularly during the time of COVID-19 pandemic? What are the challenges in this vaccine hesitancy? How we can overcome that? All the things that we are going to reveal in this video. The vaccine hesitancy, the name itself says hesitant to vaccine. Of course, vaccine hesitancy is reluctant to vaccinations or avoid using vaccination, even though the vaccine and vaccine services are available. Then we may have questions. What are the reasons for the vaccine hesitancy? Let me see one by one. When the demand for the vaccine increases, the pharmaceutical companies come forward to invest heavily on the development of new vaccines. So as a result of that, the competition among companies increases manifold. So even though they find any new vaccine, when it comes to the market, the price difference for the vaccine for the same disease differ among the vaccines. So the common people confused to choose the vaccine. Then the orthodox and religious taboo. There are spiritual leaders or semi-godmen, they used to force their followers to not use vaccine because they believe that the body has natural capability to fight against any external intruders, that may be germs, viruses, bacteria. Definitely our body has the capability to fight against any germs through our immune system. At the same time, we need to remember that the lifestyle of human has changed over a period because of globalization and other means. For instance, their sleeping cycle has changed, their stress also increased, and again the food they are using also changed. As a result of that, the pressure in the human also increases. As a result of cause of similar factors, the human's immune system is weakening. In contrast to that, as we are using heavy doses of pesticides and insecticides to protect our crops from the attack of germs, microorganisms, the escaping microorganisms used to be more dominant and the new gene muted variant coming faster. Similarly, as we are using medicines to cure our ill and get rid of from our ill, so the escaping microorganisms have the similar effect, that is virus and bacteria that are getting muted very soon. Therefore, in order to protect our body from these dominant microorganisms, we need vaccination. Through this vaccination process, our human system will be boosted, new antibodies will be generated that will fight against this dominant variant of viruses and bacteria. But there is lack of information regarding how long this vaccine will help to produce antibodies. So there is no assurity that how long our body will be protected from these external intruders once vaccinated. When we look at the COVID-19 related dilemma, as we have so many number of vaccines in recent time against COVID-19, for instance, Sputnik 5, Pfizer vaccine, Sinopharm vaccine, Casino vaccine, Covishield, Covaxin. Then recently, the Johnson & Johnson's also introduced new vaccine. Then there are next many number of vaccines also in the development stage. So people are in dilemma which vaccine to choose. Then again, there are misinformation or fake information spreading on the social media regarding to the vaccination. For instance, there are fake news like the vaccination lead for impotency, then the vaccination is an anti-population drive, that is the vaccination is used for reducing global population, that kind of misinformation. Then again, one clip which was spreaded in the social media from England where one lady highlighted that she has many wounds in her leg after she has vaccinated. That's also false information. So we need to care about the spreading of news and we need to avoid spreading fake news, and the government must take strict action against those who are taking these kind of false practices to spread misinformation in the society. In order to avoid misinformation, people must trust authenticated source of information, and also whenever any news spread in the social media, they need to cross-check before they forwarding to their friends or families. The pharmaceutical company which are conducting human trial for vaccine, they must publish us those data in the open source, and also even there is a negative data regarding to the human trial, then they must openly disclose the data. Then only it will increase the trust with the people and the confidence of the company will improve. Then people won't hesitate to vaccine. At the same time, government also create awareness among the people to encourage vaccination drive. Then the celebrity effect, that is people those who are popular in cine industry or sports personalities, they must take their social responsibility of spreading positive news about vaccination. As they have huge fan following, So it will be act as a game changer in our society. As we know, no country in the planet will be safe against COVID-19 battle until every human being in the planet got enough immunity against the COVID-19. Because every countries in the planet are directly or indirectly connected through liberalization, globalization and privatization. So a small impact that may be happened a corner of the world that will create huge impact, that is butterfly effect, to other countries as well. Okay friends, what do you think about this video? The false informations and fake news that are spreading through social media are the main cause for the vaccine hesitancy. As a responsible citizens, what is your suggestion to improve the vaccine drive against COVID-19 and get rid of this virus as soon as possible? Give your suggestion in our comment field. We shall meet again in our next very interesting topic. Until then, take care, love you all, bye bye.